Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Allie if you are new, and today I'm sharing with you our morning routine as a family of 5. I have 3 little ones ages 4 and under. If you're new, I would love it if you hit subscribe and joined our YouTube family. You can also follow us on Instagram at Allie_Gooch. So let's go ahead and get started. Our mornings usually start anywhere between 6:30 and 7. This morning, Hudson woke up first at 6:30. If Hudson is up a lot during the night, then Andrew will usually get up with the kids in the morning just to let me sleep in a little bit. Hudson has recently transitioned from his swaddle into his sleep sack, so sometimes he has a few little bumps throughout the night and he wakes up just because he's getting used to being able to roll over onto his tummy and everything's really new for him. Emmy is my oldest. She is 4.5 and she's usually our latest riser, but this morning she must have heard Hudson crying for me to come get him, and so she woke up bright and early at 6:30 with me and Hudson. So the first thing that I usually do is turn on the lights in Hudson's room, turn off his sound machine and nightlight, and then I take him out of his sleep sack. I keep Hudson's diapers as well as his clothes in our master bedroom dresser, and so as soon as I come downstairs I will grab a diaper to change Hudson, and normally I won't change him into his clothes for the day quite yet, but he had wet through his pajamas overnight, and so I'm going to just change him into another set of pajamas just so he can stay kind of cozy this morning. But normally I wouldn't change him into his clothes quite yet, I would just change his diaper. I like to open up all the windows. We have a lot of windows here in this house and I love that. So I go around the house before I do really anything else and open up all the blinds and let in that morning sunlight. Hudson's usually pretty hungry first thing in the morning, so I sit down and I nurse him, and if any of the other kiddos are awake, they'll just sit here on the couch with me. And then once Hudson's done eating and burping, I'll lay him on his little play mat and let him play with toys and books while I go back to the couch and snuggle with any of the kiddos that are awake at this point. We like to watch TV in the morning. We don't really watch a lot of TV throughout the day, but we do allow it in the morning just to kind of let everybody wake up slowly, and we get in some nice snuggles during that time too. Andrew's the one that makes coffee for us, and I love him for that. If Andrew were not to make coffee for us fresh in a pot, I would probably be making K-cups. So to have fresh coffee, freshly ground too, first thing in the morning is the best. Once we have gotten some snuggles on the couch and just woken up slowly, usually someone starts to get hungry. And for breakfast, usually we let the kids kind of pick what they want to eat for breakfast. So you'll see me grabbing them some random snacks here and there. But Emmy requested some milk first thing, so I'm just going to go ahead and pour her a glass. The weather is beautiful here in Virginia this time of year, and I love summer mornings when you know it's going to be a really hot day, but the mornings are just like the perfect temperature. And we got this new patio set, well, it's new to us, from Facebook Marketplace, and so we've been spending a lot of our mornings out here, and we eat a lot of our dinners out here as well. So then about 8 o'clock, Hudson has been awake for an hour and a half, and he's starting to show signs that he's ready for his first nap of the day. So I am going to take him on upstairs and put him down for a nap. And then when I came downstairs from putting Hudson to sleep, I noticed that Oakley was starting to wake up, and it's about 8:13 now. And so I go back up the stairs to go get Oakley. He has a child lock on the inside of his door so that he can't, escape. And so I have to go up there to let him out. He can't come downstairs all by himself. Oakley is obsessed with Spider-Man. I don't know where he saw it or how he discovered it, but he's obsessed. And so I found this really cute pajama set from Target. It was actually a 2-pack. The other set is black and red. And Oakley loves when he gets to wear his Spider-Man pajamas. He'll shoot me with his webs and all that cute stuff. This is the cutest boy. He loves all boy things. Anything that has wheels, tractors, trucks, motorcycles. He loves, killing bugs. So down the stairs we go. Oakley is in love with his sister as well, and so whenever he sees her, he just says, "Hi, Sissy," or "Hi, Emerson," and it's so cute. He loves her so much. But Oakley always has pouches for breakfast. He is hooked on these things, so he'll go to the pantry himself, grab himself. Usually it's 2 pouches a morning, and that's where we cap him off. He would probably keep going if we let him, but these are little pouches of applesauce just from Sam's Club or Costco. We get them at both places. And then Oakley he was potty trained for a little while, and then we were really busy. It was a busy season of life, and he kind of relapsed, and we said, you know what, instead of fighting him on this, we're just going to revisit it down the road when it's a better time of life for all of us involved, and he's going to do fine. He's going to pick up right where he left off. So finally, it is now time for Mom to get her coffee. This is probably one of my favorite times of the day, is when I get to pour that fresh, hot cup of coffee. And I put maple syrup in mine and milk. I've been doing this for years. Keep it simple. I love the taste of it. And then I'm going to take this with me and enjoy it on the patio with the rest of the family. Oh, and Oakley had requested a banana. So like I said, the kids kind of get to pick what they want to eat for breakfast, and Oakley was feeling a banana. Lately for breakfast, I have been making myself oatmeal, but I also make my own nut milk. I am not dairy free, but I do prefer not to consume tons of dairy, and so I love making my own nut milk using the Almond Cow. I've actually gotten the opportunity to share Almond Cow before, and I just stand by this product and love it so much that I was grateful for the opportunity to talk about it again. So thank you, Almond Cow, for sponsoring today's video. So today I'm making cashew coconut milk. Using the Almond Cow makes making nut milk super fast and easy. You can make it in less than a minute, but it's also a lot healthier to do it this way because there's no fillers, no questionable ingredients. You control literally everything that goes in, and it's also budget friendly. So if you were to buy a 64-ounce container of nut milk from the grocery store, it would cost you at least $3.69, but you can make it at home with the Almond Cow and get 40 ounces for just 55 cents. And you also can get really creative and make all kinds of different flavors and combinations. And you're gonna see I'll be left with this really awesome pulp, and I can make tons of recipes using that. I can make cookies, I can make pulp meal bowls. There's lots of ways to get creative and use up every single thing so that there's zero waste. Cashew milk is one of my favorites to make because it's so thick and frothy and delicious. And And I have a great discount code for you guys. If you click the link in the description box below and use the code Allison15, you'll get $15 off of a starter bundle, which comes with everything you'll need to get started right away.
And I feel like I'm running in circles around you. And I know I've been acting strange for a while, but I want you close. Closer than before, and no one knows.
So if you've never put butter in your oatmeal, you should try it. It makes it really creamy and a little bit salty. And then I do a little bit of maple syrup, that cashew milk, and then I'll do a little sprinkle of cinnamon on top as well.
Closer than before. I know that we've been through a lot. Now we're hiding in the crowd.
The kids will usually request cereal for breakfast at some point, and so I'm gonna make them some bowls of this Cascadian Farms, I think it's berries or something like that. They love this one.
Circles around you. And I know I've been acting strange for a while, but I want you close. Closer than before, and no one knows that I want you close. I'm not overthinking feelings, I just need you to know that I want you close. Closer than before.
After breakfast, I usually do a quick tidy of the kitchen and put the dishes in the dishwasher. And usually the dishwasher is full of clean dishes. We like to run the cycle the night before. That way we have clean dishes ready to go the next day. So normally I would empty the dishwasher of the clean dishes, put them away, and then load up what few breakfast dishes we have into the dishwasher again.
Never leave me. Am I going too far? But I want you close. Closer than before. But I want you close. Closer than before, and no one knows that I want you close. I'm not overthinking feelings, I just need you to know that I want you close. Closer than before.
And once all of that is done, then I go upstairs and I get the kids' clothes ready for the day. So I'm in Oakley's room right now picking out his outfit. And Emerson actually had already taken care of herself. She's really into picking out her own clothes these days. Sometimes that's a bit terrifying, and sometimes we have to kind of push her in a different direction, encourage her to pick a different outfit. But on days that we're just going to be home, I let her pick what she wants, and she's a happy camper. So she had actually already changed her clothes earlier this morning.
Up the way I can see the road ahead of me. I won't be
Hudson is asleep still for his nap, and so I'm going to take this opportunity to get myself ready for the day. The kids are with Andrew. If Andrew were not home, then they would probably just be in the living room, or I would send them down to the basement to play with toys. Emmy is so great at this age. If Oakley does something that's dangerous or that she knows he shouldn't do, she will call me and I will come running. But we love having our basement to just be able to kind of send them down there to play while I get ready for the day, make the bed, things like that. Let me know if you guys want an updated get ready with me. It's been a long time since I've done one of those, and I've definitely changed a lot of my products, both skincare and makeup, so I think that'd be a fun video to show you all the new things that I've been using.
I'm moving closer to you now. I can't get close enough somehow. And I was down until you saved me, until you set me free. My eyes were closed, now I see clear as day. And I just wanted to say that you can take me high. Feels like I can fly. I don't need anybody, I don't need anybody else. No one will ever take me, no one will ever take me away from you. I promise I will hold on to you. I don't know what I'd do without you. Without you.
I'm just gonna put on something casual but kind of cute and put together. It makes me feel so much better when I am dressed and I have makeup on. I don't even have to be done fancy, but just done. Makes my whole day go smoother. These shorts and this shirt are both from Target. I'm loving, actually this whole outfit's from Target too, but I'm loving these white shorts. They're only $15, so cute. And then the last thing I'm gonna do is make my bed. This is another one of those things that sets the tone for the day. I like to fold clean laundry on my bed, and so if the bed is already made and ready to go, I'm more likely to do the laundry so that I have a place to put it and I can fold it. It's a whole thing. It's a whole mental thing.
I was never the one to write up a song for just anyone. I was always the one to find myself lost in old conversations. Cause I've always been told that things will unfold if you keep on waiting. But then you came along and proved me all wrong. I was so mistaken. Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby.
So then the last thing I need to do is put the little kids in their clothes for the day, and then that wraps up our morning routine. So thank you guys so much for watching and for hanging out with us today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure that you are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss any of the videos that I have coming up. I do a lot of cleaning motivation and organization, mommy lifestyle content, as well as I share a bunch of recipes that are easy and budget friendly. So if any of that stuff interests you, make sure you're subscribed. You can also follow me on Instagram at Allie_Gooch, and I'd love to chat with you guys in the DMs over there. And then lastly, make sure you check out Almond Cow. Click that link in the description box below and use the code Allison15 to get $15 off of a starter bundle. All right, I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
To myself, and I'm thinking out loud, we won't need nothing else for the rest of our time, and I know it so well. I will always be by your side.